EVOO. Garlic. Sazone. Touch cherry. Paprika. An absolute best rub for ribs. Same process as the other side. Garlic. Make sure you get under all the bits and bobs. Shout out to Andy at Kent Survival. Hopefully maybe he'll give me a shout out back. Since I've never done ribs out back on my cinder block pit, because I always do them in the smoker, I'm very hesitant about this, but my director has requested it. He was also my cameraman. Doesn't come out, it's his fault.
This could be our first fall-in.
Could be. Paprika. I think I'm seasoning my cameraman's leg. If he'd like to pan over, he could see that our yard is currently on fire. And we're just sitting here watching it because we don't care. Alright, we're going to let these ribs sweat for a few minutes. Get the fire stoked up a little and we will be back. Alright, they've sweated just a little bit. So they're going on. Again, I normally do all my ribs on my smoker. So this is the ultimate experiment for me. And we also decided to spit roast one slab of ribs just for poops and giggles. Just to see how it'll come out. So, wish us luck. Okay, I had these kind of dry marinating in steak seasoning. This is just some round steak had in the freezer. Thought I'd get rid of.
We're using the same seasonings on this as we did the ribs too.
Minus the touch of cherry. happens when you open up the big side. Epic fail. If you'd like to see more, go back and watch our very first video. There is a blooper video to it. Pretty ridiculous. The only reason I'm doing these steak skewers is because my son Dominic, cameraman, is not a fan of ribs. Although he will be trying.
Yeah, because these ribs could be the best ribs I've ever tasted.
Bone. I will be using some cherry wood to get some smoke, hopefully on these ribs. That's better. Always open the small side, never the big side, or you'll get the big mess that we had. Alright, we'll let them sit for a few minutes, and we'll be back. Alright, I am putting the steak on the skewers. There's no wrong or right way to do this. Not sure how many skewers I'll need, so I brought extra. We'll make it 3. Forget that little guy. Alright, I'm gonna let these sit for a little bit. Don't want to put them on yet. We'll be back. Alright, I'm taking an aluminum foil pan. Just gonna put right on top. Adjust it just a little. Just to kind of contain some of the smoke. And some cherry wood. Because I can't have ribs without cherry wood. It's literally against my religion. I'm gonna hit it with a blast of cherry. And we'll see how it comes out once we're done. I think we'll just throw 1 thing of cherry in that one. And see if the open pit with no top, how that'll do.
This is cooking pretty good. We're gonna go over to Bug's corner and see how he's doing.
Today we have a dozen corn. We're gonna be cooking them on the pit and some inside. So, watch till the end of the video. You can use all the stuff from the corn for fire if you can, pretty good, pretty good. You might want to let it dry out so it burns easier.
That's some good corn.
It is. It is.
Getting all the little hairs.
Oh, it's fine. It's okay if you don't get all of them. It should burn most of it.
Just try to get the majority.
Yeah, you just try eating most of it off like this. So probably the longest one, and try getting the ones you can get. Put it in the pot. You don't have to put it like this.
It just looks cool.
Yeah, if you have more to fit it in the pan, do this. And tip, if it's falling this way, the way it's falling, place it to where it'll fall against the wall or another piece of corn. If you ever do that, just a little tip. So.
Okay, we're gonna peel the rest of the corn and we'll get back to you once we're on the last piece.
Decided to do 4 ears of corn in the fire, and then we're gonna do the other ones in the house. Ribs are coming along pretty good. They're going. I'll be flipping them here soon. The spit roast one's going. Potatoes are going. So now just chilling.
Alright. While this is cooking, let's go over to Jackson's corner.
Oh, hey, didn't see you there. How you doing? Back to peeling the corn, okay? So, as you can tell, there, because last time we liked it out there, once you put one in. Yeah, okay, pretty good. We did some off-camera mining, if you couldn't tell. We built some stuff off camera. Good stuff. Yeah. So, they're nice.
We got a pretty big pile over here to burn.
Yeah, plus you got hair. I could probably make a wig out of all this. Just saying. So. Now, in the comment section below, rate this corn. Does it look delicious? Let's see.
Yeah, but if there wasn't a lot of hair on it, it would.
Yeah, well, I mean, obviously. Maybe we can show some after it's cooked.
Yeah, we show the entire dinner after it's cooked.
Yeah. Just for you, cameraman. Have you ever been seen in a video?
Nope.
Maybe it's time. Maybe it's time. You're like a dream. You're mysterious.
No, I've been seen in my own videos.
When?
You're wrong. Yeah, I have never been. But... It's coming along?
Yes. Now rate the corn. Does it look better? Does it look delicious? It's a fine painting. It's a beautiful day when you paint. As Bob Ross would say. Since Bob Ross is always right, probably. And we're set.
Okay, that's everything for
Now
now.
that's all for Jackson's corn. See you next time.
Yeah, or you'll just see later.
Probably.
Okay, we just put the meat skewers on of the steak with the ribs to cook. Just wanted to give a little update. The corn's doing pretty well. The ribs are doing good. So yeah. Here's a quick update. We might flip these ribs right here. It's getting there. As you can see, that eagle has come over here to eat some of the delicious food that is currently getting there. Is it ballin' or is it falling?
Ballin'.
I'm balling.